Let's take a look at the next painting over here. I love the sky. I love those grasses, the trees over here. It looks really good. And I love the strong lightings on the house. You can see the light coming from this direction. You can see the cast shadow of those flag and the post coming over here. Everything looks great. There's only one little suggestion for the tree over here. This tree is supposed to be rounded. I can see that inside each of the group of the tree, I can see some shadow side. But also on this side, I want to see on this side look like a turning around over. Let's try it to see if it helps. So I'm going to have a little blue color because it's during the daytime and it should a little cooler and their shadow side. So I'm going to add a little bit color. That's on this side. Like this. A little bit suggestions. Maybe a little bit darker in this area. All I'm trying to get is this effect. Like say the tree. But the tree is look like this shape overall. The branches inside over here. But you want to have the side over here, the light coming from this direction. You want this side to be a little bit darker, like this. So even though you have group over here within the tree, but the whole tree itself, the whole tree together, it should also showing that is actually going over. This side should be darker, this side should be lighter. Probably gave enough suggestions over here. On this side, you all can shade it a little bit so you can create some variety of this. Like over here, I maybe leave the top of that to be a little bit lighter. You can shade it a little bit so here see a little shadow going over. Maybe on the ground over here, you can make it slightly a little bit darker. Just add a little blue color in here. And maybe that help to make the color have a little bit more weight. Let's take a look at if this is helpful. Look at the tree over here. Now looks like a little bit more rounded as a shape. Look at over here. It maybe create some variety in this area. This is great. I love the painting. As soon as I look at it, it really got my attention.